Welcome back to this video. And yesterday we look at we look at a lot of things. Actually, we started with the master pages. We started with the introduction to Visual Studio in general. Then we look at the controls, the master pages, the menu, database, users, and security, and that's where we stopped. I remember I was talking about this was the last thing I was talking about, which is the login view, which you can use to hold on, you can use to change the views the user sees when they log in. For example, if I change the login to the anonymous template, we can say please log in. This is the view they see before the login. So once they log in, they get a different message. So, and that will be the logged in template. Please log in. That's the view they will see all the time. This view, this is what they see on anonymous template before the login. But once the user log in, the user gets a different message, which is welcome and their username. So that's how to use that. So let's move forward and talk about what else do I want to talk about? The change password and the password recovery. Before we do that, I want to point out something about this secured members area. But even though we said it's secured, let's write something in the placeholder. Secured members area. We all know that this area is not really secured because anybody can access it. Running the website, you see, it's not secured because it's just like every other pages. So there's no really security. If anybody type in, let me show you. If anybody type in the address, they'll be able to access the page. So there's no security really. Normally, in an ideal world, or in a real world, sorry, if somebody type in your secured page, they should be directed to the login page so they can input the username and password before they can view the page. So that's exactly what we're going to do here. So on a secured member area, what you want to do, I want to place the controls for the password recovery. We're not going to be using the password recovery because the email is not set, but I'll show you what I'm trying to achieve. So change password will be the first control that I want to put there, and I also want to put the password recovery on a password recovery tags username. We want the user to be able to input their username so they can get the password in their email, and also login status. I want to show you how to use the login status as well. Let's use the login status. Let's drag and drop the login status there. So let me show you what they look like in the on the web page. So as you can see, the user can input the current password and input a new password and confirm the new password. so they click this button to change the password. Also, if a user forgot the password, they can just simply enter the username here, click submit, and the new password will be sent to the email address. And this login status does two things. When you log in, when you're logged out, it will tell you to log in. When you log in, it will tell you to log out. I'll show you what I mean. If I should log in now, the login status was, can you see that has changed to log out? If I log out, it changed back to login. So that's what the login status does. So just showing you briefly what these things are for. So let's modify this so they can look much better than what they look like at the moment. So it's just the same thing that we've been doing. You can just change the format and change the color to colorful, apply it there, and do the same thing for password recovery, colorful, and right, this is view, logout. We have a login view, we have a logout view. So we can choose this table. Right, and just centralize the content. So let's run it and see what it looks like now. So this is our members area now. We've added few stuff. So this is not supposed to be here anyway. The login status is what you want to put right anywhere on the page that people can use to log out once they log in. Sorry about the way I'm talking. I'm not feeling well, that's why. I have cold. What I want to do now that we have a secured member area that we don't want anybody to access, we need to protect it so that nobody can access the secured member area unless they are authenticated. So, and this is very useful for you, because if you have the ability to create users with username and password, how do you make sure that it's only them that can view the content on the page that you have created for the members only? So this is what I'm going to be doing in the next video. Thank you.